Hey, it's JR the Electronic Guy again. Look what I just got. Our hobby store, Ideal Hobbies, just here in Barrie, actually had this in stock. Super excited. My wife actually bought it for me, so extra special now. We have the Axial SCX24 1940s Dodge Power Wagon, 1/24 scale. And I'm pretty sure this comes with a hard body. This is the Adventure Edition, which means it comes with the little character inside, like the little figurine. Ooh, it is a hard body. So, we have our normal Axial package. It comes with the 4 batteries, which is awesome, because I love buying batteries all the time. What else do we got here? Because this is the Adventure Edition, it should come with the whole top rack, just like the Gladiator. Pretty much identical. It might look a lot like the Gladiator with it on it. And we have the Spectrum controller. Oh, and that is the SLT2. That's the, not the first one, I forgot. I hate this controller because you can't sit it down properly, it falls over the laptop. But other than the controller, that controller works awesome. I just don't like that you can't. I'm gonna have to like 3D print something so it doesn't easily fall over. All right, let's get into this. Ooh. Now this is extremely nice. Oh, there's 2 figurines in it. There's a passenger too. All right, see how the shell is. Oh, this is a little different. I like that. Here, let's get these batteries in. We will actually get it going running here because I want to see it. I also picked up the trailer while I was there and the Defender light kit. And we'll open those up here in this video too. Okay. So happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Hope everybody's having an awesome weekend. I was supposed to go get my vision tested today, but I missed my appointment. There's a little blind. I am super excited to get play with this. Awesome Thanksgiving weekend present. There you go. JR's not that blind. All right, I'll take the battery cable because it's always tucked in underneath there. Plug it in. Look at that crawl right out of the box. Trailer comes out this week, the guy said. You're gonna have to stop by and take a look at it. It looks like they're identical. Everything except for it has the Spectrum 2S battery in it, which is nice. we're gonna have to go and play with it. Look at those LEDs. You can actually see them lit up in the back. Might as well open the trailer while we're here. That was aggressively packed in the box like that. Oh, super aggressive. I have the taller trail hitch. That's cool. They definitely stick that in too big of, like the box could be a tad bit bigger. Alright, it comes with the trailer hitch mount. That is super cool. I wonder if I can tow it on this too. I probably could. Just gotta put the ball on it. Alright. Then I got the light kit for the Defender. We'll have to go play with it. Oh yeah, it comes with a bunch of gas cans, the jack stand. Oh, front crash bumpers. Here, we're gonna have to put the entire Venture kit on it. That looks cool. Go play with it. I do like this controller. I just don't like that you can't sit it down properly. That's just such a defect. Like, why would you not make it so you can properly sit it down without it falling over? I don't know. It's a good question for Axial. I guess Spectrum would be. All right, we'll go ahead and play with it. I hope everybody has an awesome Thanksgiving weekend. I'll see you guys later.